Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan crème brûlée. First, gather your ingredients like full-fat coconut milk, cornstarch, and a touch of turmeric for color. Whisk these together in a saucepan over medium heat until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. This forms the essential custard base. Pour the warm custard into individual ramekins, ensuring they are evenly filled. Chill them for at least 4 hours. To elevate the flavor, add a generous amount of vanilla extract or the seeds from one vanilla bean to your custard mixture. This provides that classic crème brûlée aroma. After pouring into ramekins, cover them and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight. This crucial chilling time allows the custard to set perfectly, ensuring a smooth and firm texture before the final step. Once your vegan crème brûlée is thoroughly chilled and firm, it's time for the signature caramelized topping. Sprinkle about 1 to 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar evenly over the surface of each custard. Using a kitchen torch, carefully melt and caramelize the sugar until it forms a beautiful, amber-colored and crisp crust. Work quickly and evenly to prevent burning, creating that perfect crackable layer. Serve your freshly caramelized vegan crème brûlée immediately to enjoy the contrast between the warm, crisp sugar and the cold, creamy custard. Garnish with a few fresh berries or a sprig of mint for an elegant touch. This delightful dessert is perfect for any occasion, proving that plant-based treats can be just as luxurious. Be sure to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.